Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aergo token. We're going to talk about how you can get this token, and we're going to talk about this very big listing announcement that they just got as well. And we're going to go over some information on this project and this token, talk about all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is already listed on a few big central exchanges, and beyond that, it was just announced. It says new futures listing. The pair AERGO, Aergo, which is the ticker symbol, is paired with USDT, and you can leverage up to 50 times now on Mexc Global. So you can get this token off Mexc Global if you're just looking to purchase the token. But now you could also trade futures with this token. If you haven't traded futures before, definitely do thorough research on it first. Look into it first. You can make very quick gains, but you can also make very quick losses. It's just more volatile than crypto, and crypto is already pretty volatile. So definitely do your own research first on how to trade futures. Maybe watch some tutorial videos, things like that first, because futures can be extremely volatile. But if you're looking to get this token or you're looking to trade futures, you can get it off Mexc Global. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the spot trading zone, search AERGO, and then simply just buy the token. And then after that, if you wanted to go into the futures section, you can now leverage up to 50 times and trade Aergo in futures. But again, do your research on futures first before you even think about doing that. Now, besides all that, what is Aergo? So Aergo is an open blockchain platform that allows businesses to build innovative applications and services by sharing data on a trustless and distributed IT ecosystem. Aergo combines the best of the public and private blockchains to be scalable, enterprise-ready, and easy to develop with. Now, they have a web page which has a full white paper on there. And so if you go to the web page, which is at aergo.io, at the very bottom of the page, you can find all sorts of socials: LinkedIn, YouTube, Discord, GitHub, Reddit, Telegram, Medium, WeChat. But you can also find press kit, privacy policy, voting system, Aergo Agora, which is in the governance section. So there's going to be voting rights, a DAO. Basically, you could vote on proposals, decide which direction you think the project should go. If you are a developer, they have a white paper 2.0 funding dev documents. But they also have a developer section, enterprise section, and individual section. So all sorts of stuff there. Announcement channels, social channels, all over the place. This is just a very big project. So it says here you can learn more about Aergo with the white paper. They have just specifically a governance section as well. And yeah, so Aergo 2.0 aims to revolutionize existing systems, enhance security and efficiency, and empower stakeholders in enterprise, entertainment, and government sectors in the emerging Web3 age. Now, the core goal of the next generation of the Aergo blockchain is to enable new businesses and use cases on Aergo network as a truly decentralized Web3 infrastructure provider. All the core features of the Aergo technology, including ease of development, enterprise-grade reliability, and proven performance at scale, will serve as the foundation for Aergo 2.0. Aergo is evolving into a de facto enterprise blockchain that spans enterprise, entertainment, NFTs, STO, and government sectors. Now, the Aergo 2.0 core features, it says we will continue developing and enhancing the Aergo kernel to support Web3 capabilities. Some of the new features, including composable transactions, are under development and will enable truly trustless, decentralized transactions on Aergo smart contract, crucial for Web3 applications. Now, the main goal of Aergo Core at this stage is stability, security, as more values will stake as Aergo mainnet gains mainstream adoption. And we are cooperating with various crypto exchanges to support Aergo mainnet directly and provide more direct access to Aergo network to developers and users while infusing Aergo dApps with more liquidity to create business values. Some of the new features include, number one, new smart contract language. So EVM support on Aergo smart contract platform. Computing hub, a computing service built on the container technology, leveraging Aergo ecosystem to seamlessly run Web3 applications in the cloud. Aergo Decentralized Finance, a suite of on-chain DeFi services intended to infuse Aergo with enhanced liquidity and token utility. And machine learning reusable code base for Torch 7 developers and integration of TensorFlow Lite. While the main goal of Aergo 1.0 was to provide enterprises with decentralized toolkits to apply blockchain tech to solve existing problems, many wanted even more, envisioning an entirely new business model built on decentralized aspects of technology. The evolution of Aergo 2.0 centers around the new adoptions of development we witnessed beyond the enterprise blockchain adoption. Now, if you want to read more about the project, you could check out, the white paper, press kit, governance section, all sorts of things on their webpage, aergo.io. Go check those out. Go check out their Telegram at Aergo Official. That is the community chat Telegram. I am going to put their Twitter up here in the corner of the screen, as usual, at Aergo_IO. And check this token out on Mexc Global, and you'll be able to trade futures as well on Mexc. And links are in the description box down there to Mexc and a whole bunch of other really big, great central exchanges. So check those out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Aergo? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.